Hi gardening friends. In my last video I cleaned out this east facing bed except for the lavender. So the lavender needs to be cut back, and one of the things in growing lavender over time, it starts to develop a woody base. So you have to trim it back every year in order to keep the woody base at bay. And when you trim it back, I'm just going to cut a branch to show for an example. When you trim it back, you don't want to trim within the woody area. You want to trim back within the green growing area, because typically the woody area does not produce new growth. So you want to trim, maybe leaving 1 to 2 inches of new growth left on the plant. So what I'm going to do here is just use a pair of shears to do initially, I guess, a rough cut of the plant just to trim it back and get it under control. And then I'll take a look at it and then go in and trim and shape as needed. My original plan was to dig the plants and divide into maybe 2 to 3 smaller plants. But I think what I'm going to do is try to propagate the plant this year. So I'll cut sprigs, dip it into some rooting compound, and see if they'll grow. And then next year I'll think about dividing this plant. But for this year, I think I'm just going to propagate a few pieces. So here I have some cell trays with potting soil, and I took each of these sprigs and removed the bottom leaves on each sprig, and here I'm just making one additional cut just to make it a little bit shorter. And then I'll dip each sprig into rooting compound, and you can find rooting compound at any local garden center, and then just place it right into the potting soil. And once they're all planted, you'll just water them in very well and then place them under the grow lights. And hopefully in several weeks they should start to root in and begin to grow. Happy gardening.